okay if you do have an issue with your box. I'm going to take you through how to reset, and then it's kind of be a double on how to install everything if you're new, or how to fix it if you broke it. And by broke it, I mean it's barely broke. So, I say I'm not seeing anything on the other side. I'd hit the little Android guy on the remote. Go back to here, go into settings or toolbox, whatever you want. I think there's a factory reset also in here. Right there, factory data reset. You get another shot to go at it. You don't have, if you screw up and hit it too fast, it'll just cancel it, but you gotta actually scroll up to get it. Factory data reset, erase everything. Again, you get another shot to hit cancel. Now I'm absolutely factory data resetting. So I'll probably pause it. I'll see what it does first. I know it's going to go through all the boot animation and everything, so I don't want to keep you guys on a 40-hour video, but I'll probably let it run through. And there's the actual erasing going on. That's what you'll see on phones if you ever erase a phone also. So everything you're seeing is normal. It's a pretty quick process also. Loading the box isn't quite as fast because of everything it has to load, of course. And there's the cool animation for the Cyber 2 people. Only the Cyber 2 box people. I actually really like the animation. And again, this will be for people who had an issue, which we're done with that. We fixed the issue now because we're resetting. And it'll also be for new customers who have set up their box. And another nice thing I wanted to mention about these boxes is you can pick it up and take it to your neighbor's house or whatever you want. I really like that fact. You won't lose anything. Basically, all you'll do is you'll sign into his Wi-Fi, her Wi-Fi, whatever, and boom, you're up and running, and you now have Cyber 2 streaming at your neighbors or relatives, whatever you got's house. So I did it at Christmas. I took it to Pittsburgh with me, and it was very simple. Literally plugged in the HDMI cable. And if anybody needs a full setup video, like how to plug the box in, put the antenna on, I will also do that. If it's requested enough, I'll do it, or even once I'll do it. You guys know that that's a pretty easy process. But there we go. We're done with the setup, or with the reset. So we'll go to next. I'm English. Put whatever you want. This is, of course, the borders, the white border you see. You can move that if needed. I don't need to move mine. I'm actually spot on. I'm going to be running on Wi-Fi also. Oops, I didn't mean to hit that actually. Let me see if I can go back to. All right, I'll have to set my Wi-Fi up in settings. I clicked it too many times. My batteries are going dead, so just go to network. Wi-Fi is not connected. Ethernet's not connected. I'm not using a VPN, so I'll go to Wi-Fi. Turn it on. See all networks. I don't know, the Wi-Fi is not on. Let me go back and go up. No, I don't see it, so hold on. I don't know why it's not letting me, it's not showing me that the actual Wi-Fi itself. That would be it right there. So that was my fault. I'm used to it being on, so now it's scanning for my networks. That is actually the one I want to use. Alright, we're connecting. We're connected. So now we can go through our setup. Excuse me. In here, you're going to go over to Media Player, right there, highlighted, select it, download it. sometimes I have to do mine twice. I get connection timed out or something. I'm not sure what it is. It's on my end. It's because I'm running 50 different devices in my house, for goodness sakes. But yeah, it's actually running pretty good today, but that doesn't mean it's going to make it. So, well, actually did. Then down here, you'll go down to install. This one's pretty painless whenever it works. That one didn't go through. Like I said, I have a ton of things running, especially on the weekends, because I work on my Apple products on the weekends, and 5 of them are running right now, so we'll try and get over this one. Try it once again. I usually don't have to do this twice, but like I said, I sometimes do. So I hit done, don't open it. I like to go back, go to tools, which I highlight from the left side, then go over to that media setup that's highlighted, click OK. Again, install. And then you can open once it's done. And that'll be the long one, the next one. It's normal to take long. It'll go through twice also. Yes, install. Yes, you agree. Or I'm hoping you do. This is the kind of long one, so I'll probably cut the video, so if you guys notice the elapsed time is going to change. Okay, we'll let you watch the last couple of percentiles. Elapsed time was, what, 7 minutes, so probably total of 8 minutes maybe. So not bad. Oh, it's going to be close. Come on, stay right at the 8-minute mark. Anyways, you get it. Not bad. Then you'll move on to the second part. And there it goes. This one's quick. Overall, it's a very easy box to set up, basically. I've had worse. Way worse. And worse. But, I actually may dip in speeds right now a little bit because I just added some downloads onto my computer. I don't know if it'll hinder it at all. And I'm using a VPN, so I am now on the computer. So it still does, you know, the more you run, the less obvious speed you're going to have. So it's going at a pretty good click. Rather painless. And basically, it's to show you guys just how simple, first of all, it is to reset your box if you would have a major issue. And second of all, how simple they are to set up on initial setup. So we usually try and take care of the initial setup for you. I think Rich is still doing that. I'll have to confirm with him, but I do on all my boxes. I have them set up. I just feel it makes it easier. But I probably should leave a few of them go because maybe people would like to go through the setup. I don't know. I don't think it actually a poll on that. But anyways, you can have it whichever way you want it. Almost there. And the new update video I put out is also posted. Shows a little bit of what is in the new updates, such as the Fox 43 News now, and another program guide, TV guide, which I really love. Another locals section, so there's locals 1, 2, and 3. TV guides 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, it only because this box is only getting better, and I think the best is yet to come. So there we go. Looks like we're gonna hit 100%. Basically, we'll be in the game now, folks. So this is the initial boot. First run. That's normal. Don't panic. Again, all normal. My time could be off. I don't think I set the time. Usually updates on the whenever you're on Wi-Fi to whatever is coming through your piping in your house. So that's probably going to be. I'm probably going to be all right there. And again, this is all normal, so don't be alarmed if yours goes through some stages. Then there you go. 177 channels are loaded. And 11:27 is the correct time, and it is Saturday. Unless I slept longer than I thought, but yeah. So obviously I'm in settings, so you're not going to see anything over there to the right until I move up. But there you have it, folks. Some setting up of the box. And on live TV, obviously you can hit select now or go over to program guide 1. I'll just hit live TV and select it so we can at least make sure it's running okay. It's loading the database. You're just up there in the top left. Importing guide from clients, that's all normal. And this is only usually on the initial setup. And you're going to get the one on the bottom where it's going to start populating. But right now it's actually importing the clients. So that you won't see. Again, this you may see every once in a while. And there you have it, folks. So we'll go to, let's say, ABC News. Just to show people who maybe don't own the box just how crazy fast these boxes are. I'm going to literally press select. Oops, I moved up. Okay, we're still on ABC News. I pressed select. This one could be a little bit slow because of the initial setup. So it probably wasn't the best time to show you guys that, but there you have it. And this is absolutely normal, and it is because of the initial setup. So let's go to another one. Tanked, I actually like that show, so let's see how Tanked is doing. This one should hit faster. There's the select. Still a little bit of a pause, barely any though, but I literally dare you to find a faster box. And again, that is completely normal right there, that initial. And that is only because I am on a box that is absolutely just basically born. It's brand new. It's just got loaded. Guess I could turn the volume down a little bit, huh? And don't forget, you can use 2 different volumes. You can use the one here and your TV volume. So, because sometimes the box volume, I like to keep it at medium, like right there, and then use the TV the rest of the way. But for video purposes, I'll turn it down a minute. We could try another one of the cable guides. Let's try number 2. Again, this one might load. To populate everything. I can't hear it if it's clicking okay or not, so hold on, I gotta turn the volume up a minute. Okay, again, this is all because you're not gonna see this every time. It's only because I am on an initial setup of the box. And sometimes one guide will go out and the next one will be working. It happens. This one didn't run at first. Now it was successful. So now I should be able to open up the guide. Again, it's going to load everything. So, and you won't have this every time. I get it when I first do it, but like all through the day, if I don't turn the box off, then I'm absolutely fine. There you go. Again, I'm running a bunch of I'm running a bunch of downloads, so my speeds will be a little bit probably low right now. But again, the main thing is to remember that this is a brand new box. Excuse me. It has not been run whatsoever. You guys watched me walk through it. I don't change anything. Is this actually the movie? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see how fast this comes on. So there you go. I don't know. I couldn't be happier, to be honest with you. I think everything is very simple to use. I can't say enough about the box. I really love this section. And I'm going to go over all this stuff at a later date, like all the programming, but in my opinion, having the instant plays is absolutely worth the price of admission for the box. Absolutely. I mean, you guys know what you're saving. I don't need to beat it in your heads. But anyways, thanks for watching. There'll be links in the description to the Cyber 2 webpage. And also, I'll put a link up for the Cyber 2 Streambox Facebook page, where if you have any problems, we're there just about 24 hours. You got 2 admins running the thing, so we pretty much take care of everybody with your questions, whatever you got. So thanks for watching, guys. I would ask only that you please subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. I do not get paid to do videos. I furnish everything myself. I pay for all the cameras, all the apps for the computers, and I don't ask anything except a subscription. Just click the subscribe button, which is in the lower right hand corner. It would be greatly appreciated, and if you could, click on the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever I do post a new video, so you won't miss anything. Thanks again to Rich Sipe from Cyber 2. He's a great guy. And thanks to you guys for watching. I hope this helps somebody, and please leave comments, suggestions, whatever you got. Thanks, guys.